Hello and welcome to Edupedia World. So here I've got a last example of how we can use mask to mask video. So here I've only got one ball. I shot this with just one ball, and here I merged two videos together. It looks pretty cool. You can see the video. So one ball falls down and then another one rolls behind. So how is this made? Well, it consists of two clips. I think it's this one. Yep. This one, which is just me rolling a ball past the camera, and then this other clip where the ball drops. Boom, 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 boom. So then how is this composited together? So it consists of three layers. The bottom layer, that's just the video of the ball falling down, and yeah, that's just the video. Then the next layer up here is, if we just hide the bottom layer, that is as you can see, I have masked out the ball and I've masked out the area beneath, and then I have animated the mask to follow along. And actually, I can actually see that I've added a bit too much feather. So as you can see, this is just the ball moving along, and then I've just masked that out. So you can see the ball moves along, and so if you want to create a moving mask, I'll just quickly show you. You can see here we have our blue mask. It's the same as it's the same way that you would animate a a shape layer. So we can see here we have the mask. That's the blue one, and then we just enable the clock stopwatch for the mask path. Move to another time where we can let's say move this out here like this, and then we just want to deselect, and the mask will move in between those points. So that's what I did here. This technique actually has a name, and it's called Rotoscoping, where I just rotoscope this ball out for each frame, and I do it as precisely as I can. It takes a lot of time. Yeah, so we can see here we have the bottom layer, and then the layer with the ball that rolls past, and then we get this. So you can see the ball that's supposed to be behind rolls in front, and that's a bit problematic. We can easily fix that by adding a last layer, and that's just this short layer right here, where I've cut out the ball in the middle. And you can see, if we enable all the layers, then here in the middle where the ball would roll in front, you can see it rolls in front, I've got the ball cut out, and then I put that on top. So you can see this is how it looks. I've had to add quite a lot of color correction to this layer, because as you can see right now, this ball in the background is way too yellow. So I added color correction to make it fit in, and it actually works quite nicely. To turn on the, might have to turn on the blue a bit. And, so yeah, so this is made. You can see you can get creative and create some very cool things. Maybe make a video where you play like 3 characters and you're in one shot. There's a lot of possibilities with this technique.
Thank you for watching Edupedia World. Stay tuned for more videos.